Hey guys, welcome back. If you own a BMW E90, E91, E92, or E93 and feel like the interior is starting to show its age, then today's upgrade might be one of the most impressive modifications you can make. This is the 10-inch digital dashboard instrument cluster, designed specifically for BMW 3 Series models from 2005 to 2012. And honestly, it completely transforms the driving experience. The first thing you'll notice is the huge 10-inch HD display. Compared to the original analog gauges, this modern screen brings your BMW much closer to the look and feel of today's luxury vehicles. With a sharp 1920 by 720 resolution, everything appears crisp, colorful, and easy to read both during the day and at night. But this isn't just about appearance. This digital cluster provides a huge amount of real-time information directly in front of the driver. You can monitor speed, RPM, fuel level, coolant temperature, vehicle warnings, mileage, and much more. One feature that really stands out is the real-time tire pressure monitoring system. The dashboard can display tire pressure and tire temperature data for each wheel individually. That means you'll receive early warnings if a tire becomes underinflated or begins overheating, improving both safety and efficiency. Another thing I love about this system is how well it integrates with the car. It supports many original BMW functions, including door open alerts, seatbelt reminders, warning lights, and vehicle status information. So instead of losing factory features, you actually gain more functionality. Customization is another major advantage. You can choose from multiple dashboard themes and display styles, allowing you to create a cockpit that matches your personal taste. Whether you prefer a classic BMW look, a sporty racing-inspired layout, or a futuristic digital design, there are options available for every driver. You can even switch languages, speed units, and temperature units directly through the settings menu. And let's talk about installation. One of the biggest selling points is the plug-and-play design. There's no need for complicated wiring, cutting factory cables, or major modifications. The unit connects directly to the original system using dedicated connectors, making installation much simpler than many people expect. Even the startup speed is impressive, with the system ready to use in around 2 seconds. For BMW enthusiasts, this upgrade delivers the modern digital cockpit experience that many newer vehicles already have.